Hello folks, we're going to talk about the evolution of scepter imposters from China. And we'll start here. This was like the first one. One you plug it in, and we do for what we use on our testing for our scepters. This will not produce the right results for the Hot Springs Ace system. Also, this was so, I mean, you could literally break this with your hands if you want to. It's pretty cheap. And then we come across these units, which they're actually they're the same, come from the same factory pretty much, and go by different names. They're also using a lot of the Scepter's instructions and pictures, especially this one here. This has been the most commonly used, but also they, well, actually on the box that this blue one comes in, it talks about, oh, it's a 3,000 hour material. Well, ours is rated at 10,000 hours. And not guaranteed on either one that you would get the amount of hours, because there are some variables. But cheaper plate material means they can sell it cheaper. The plate material is, well, the key ingredient is ruthenium. And so the pricing of the plate material is based on the spot price of ruthenium. So the more ruthenium you use, the longer the life, the higher the cost. Anyway, so that's just, you can see these actually have the same cutouts, different color caps, the same end caps. Anyway, and then this one here, actually I thought was gonna maybe be the best, because one other thing you've noticed, these all have two plates. This is a 3-plate design. Now, like the Scepter has a 3-plate design, 3 plates will double your chlorine production over a two-plate system. So you'll have to have it on less, and also on some of these, they won't be able to keep up even if you put them on like level 5. And in this one, the fitting, this will not fit in your filter wall plug. It's too small. So I'm not sure why they put that on there. It looks more like it would fit on the hole going into the filter, but these don't fit inside the filter. These are too big, and that's actually part of Watkins patent, so you can't fit them inside the filter tube. Not that I would necessarily even want to, but anyway, so this one's got 3 plates, but again, this unit will not even come close to working with the control system on the Ace. And there's just, in fact, if you look at the instructions that come with this, this one here so far is only under the US Extreme Power brand, but they're saying use 3 pounds per 100 gallons, which basically gives you around 3,000 parts per million. But they said it maintains 32 ppm for ideal balance. 3,000 ppm of salt there's a good chance it's going to start damaging your tub, because the salt water gets corrosive right around 3,000. Found that over the years, especially in the early days when we started this back in around 2007, 2008. Anyway, so this one does have drain holes, which is a good thing, but We tested this one in our tank, which is 1500 ppm of salt, half of what they're recommending, or actually a little bit less than half. And this would send your ACE control panel into fits. Anyway, and then we got this other one here, and you'll see, actually, this is a whole different system. This is actually, you get 3 plates. What you see, they're using the same pictures and pirated instructions from us. This will send your ACE panel into a tizzy as well. It does come with the right plug going into the filter compartment, which is a good thing. And for some reason, I don't know why, but they put a plug in this hole, which this is a good drain hole, so when you pull it out to clean or whatever, you don't have water going all over when you get it out of the tub because it's all drained out. Anyway, well, all I could say is that this is typical for Amazon. You get a popular product, and then all of a sudden you have all these Chinese knockoffs, and they come in and they'll recycle the same product with different names, so it looks like a different listing. And I know I've actually had customers call and so they were confused and ended up sending it back. But this one probably the closest to the Scepter, which is this one here. And the way they do the ad, sometimes it's hard without looking real close to know that there is a difference. Anyway, these people know nothing about hot tubs. And in fact, if you look at all these materials, there's no support number to call, no email. Actually, in this one, there is an email that you can use, but I don't know if they respond or not. But again, there's not. I don't know. China has not been known for hot tubs, and they're just making copies of something and have no idea really how it works, no understanding of what you got to do to operate a saltwater tub. And unfortunately, that's a lot of people are getting kind of burned. And in fact, I saw one comment on Amazon. Someone they were claiming a 1-year warranty, and they say, well, how do you get your warranty? Well, good question. But anyone who's ever contacted us is got, if there's a warranty issue, we take care of it. Because we do live in an imperfect world, and there's a lot of variables and things that will have an effect on the longevity of your cell. So anyway, like I say, we try to do our best here. We understand hot tubs, and if there is a problem, a lot of times we can solve it over the phone or texting. But if we can't, I've actually even sent some warranty cells, and it ended up being the ACE power supply needed to be replaced. So anyway, just if you're looking for a salt cell replacement for your ACE system, just beware. These Chinese ones come in like dirt cheap, but like I've had customers say, you get what you pay for. Anyway, good luck, and if you need any help or have any other questions, you can just contact us at thehottubwizard.com. And we also have a new support site that's going up. Well, actually, it's already up. It has some of the top question and answers, and that's at support.thehottubwizard.com. Anyway, look forward to helping you guys, and we'll maybe see you soon. Thanks.